In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get subtasks to show onboard Asana. If you've ever wondered why subtasks don't automatically appear as cards on your board view, it's because Asana only shows items that are explicitly added to the project. Subtasks live inside their parent task by default, so to make them visible on your board, you'll add those subtasks to the project as well. Here's a clear, reliable way to do it. Start by opening the parent task that contains the subtasks you want to see on your board. This lets you view the full list of subtasks in the task details. From that list, click the name of the subtask you want to surface. This opens the subtask detail pane, where you can control exactly which project it belongs to. Look for the project field in the subtask's details. If you see a project already listed there, click the small X next to it to remove that association. This clears out any incorrect or outdated project connection and prevents the subtask from appearing in the wrong place. With the field cleared, click the Add to Project button. When prompted, choose the same project as the parent task. This action is the key. It keeps the item as a subtask for context, but it also promotes it to a visible card on your board. You're not converting it into a standalone task, you're simply adding it to the project so it can be tracked alongside everything else. After adding it, return to your board, and you should now see that subtask appear like any other card, ready to be moved through columns, assigned, or given due dates. If your board uses sections, it will show up in the relevant column based on its current section or settings, just like a regular task. Repeat this process for each subtask you want to display. Open the parent task, click a subtask to open its details, clear any existing project with the X if needed, then click Add to Project and select the same project as the parent. Doing this consistently ensures your board truly reflects all the work happening under that parent task, giving you an accurate big picture view without losing the helpful structure of subtasks. That's all there is to it. By adding each subtask to the project, you keep your board comprehensive, your workflow visible, and your team aligned on what's moving forward.